Namaste and welcome students. So today we are going to do a very new exercise of application trigonometry, that is 9.1. So let's start with the first question. The question is, a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. So there is one rope which is tied from the ground to the top of the pole. Okay, and this is a vertical pole we have, that is AB. Okay, and BC is a ground. So what we have given, first we write that this is the length of the rope. So we can write length of the rope, that is AC, right? So in bracket I can write AC. That is how much? 20 meter we have. Okay, what I need to find out? The height of the pole, that is AB. Okay, so I'll write AB need to find. Now see, one angle I have, that is 30 degree. Now you itself think, what should I use? Whether I can use cos or sine, because see, hypotenuse we have, so we can use either cos or sine. Okay, but I just want to know AB. So this is the angle. So for this angle, this will be the opposite side. So here I can use the sine 30. So sine 30 is basically what? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So here I can write AB by AC. Now sine 30 is 1 by 2. So I can write the value 1 by 2 is equal to AB I have, that I need to find out. AC how much? 20 meter. So now cross multiply we will do. So AB is equal to 2AB and this side 20. So AB is equal to 20 by 2. Will get cancelled. My answer is 10 meter. So the height of the pole is 10 meter. I hope आपको first question समझ में आया होगा. So moving on to the second question. The question is, a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground and making an angle of 30 degree. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. Let's suppose this is a tree I have. Okay, then what happened? The storm came and this tree broke. Then what happened? This is the top of the tree. This is the top of the tree and this is the foot of the tree. Now what happened? This tree broke and touches the ground. So my figure is something like that. After that, what they are saying? After touching the ground, it making an angle of 30 degree. Okay, so this is the angle 30 degree we have. Then what they are saying? The distance between the foot of the tree. Now see, this is the foot of the tree, right? And the part touches the ground is how much it is? 8 meter they have given. Okay, this is 8 meter we have. Am I clear? So we have to find out the height of the tree. Now see, this is also tree and this is also the tree. Now I'll fix like this. Okay. Now if I'll give some name, it is like A. Okay, this will be our B and this will be our C. What I need to find out? AB plus AC. Okay, because that is a full tree. So I need to find out the height of the tree. This one I have to find out. Okay, now see, this is the full tree, correct? Now the tree bends. That means what? AB and BC, if we combine, it become a full tree. So basically I want to find out AB plus BC. This one I want to know. Okay, I hope आपको ये clear हुआ होगा. यहाँ पे मैं इसको थोड़ा draw कर लेती हूँ because this it is moving, so it's disturbing. Okay, now moving on. ये था ट्री हमारा, ठीक है? ये फुल आपको बताना है, वो है AB and BC. Now let's start. I have 30 degree and this distance I have. Okay, so first, now see, with the help of sine and tan, cos, only these trigonometric ratios I have to use to find out this. Okay, so first I will use tan 30 degree. That is what? Tan 30 is what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is what? AB by AC. Okay. Now tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to AB how much? We need to find out. AC we have. Yes, that is 8. Okay. So the value of AB is equal to 8 by root 3 meter. So now see, now you have the value of AB, that is 8 root 3 meter. You need to find out BC also. Now what can I use? See, you can use either sine or cos, okay, because you have all the values. That's your choice. If I use cos 30 degree, okay, cos 30 is what? Adjacent. For this angle, this is the adjacent. So I can write AC by hypotenuse, that is BC. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to AC. AC is 8 I have. BC how much? BC we have? No. We need to find out BC. Okay. So if I solve this one, cross multiply we will do. 2BC is equal to, not 2BC, root 3, correct? Root 3 BC is equal to 2 8s are 16. So the value of BC we have, that is 16 by root 3. 16 by root 3 meter. Okay. So this was a tree I have. This length I got. How much it is? This one 8 root 3 and this is 16 root 3. So if I join, it become a full tree. Correct? That only I am going to do. So height of the tree is equal to AB plus BC. So AB how much we have? 8 root 3 plus this one I have 16 by root 3. Okay, see this is 8 by 8 divided, right? It's not in multiply. This is 8 by root 3. Okay, if I take LCM, I will get root 3 and this side 24. You can stop here also, but if you want to simplify, we also can simplify this one. How? Now see, 24 means 8 3s are 24. I can write 8 3s are 24 by root 3. Okay, now see 3. How can I write 3? 8 multiply root 3 multiply root 3 divided by root 3. Because we know that root 3 multiply root 3 becomes what? 3 only. Okay, that is why in place of 3 I have write in this way. Root 3 will get cancelled. My answer is 8 root 3 meter. This is my required answer. Okay, so this is the height of the tree. आई होप आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. अब हम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन टेक केयर. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.